Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for first principle. Find the derivative, meaning that f prime x for the function fx is equals to 6 over square root of x. By using the first principle, so given the formula for the first principle, f prime x is equals to limit when h approaching 0 for the function f bracket x plus h minus with the fx over h. Kindly substitute the situation by referring to the formula. So where we have limits when h approaching 0, kindly refers to the formula x plus h. Substitute x with the x plus h, and we will have 6 over square root of x plus h minus with fx, where we have 6 over square root of x h. Focus on the numerator, equate the denominator. So limits when h approaching 0, where we have 6 multiplied with square root of x minus 6 multiplied with the square root of x plus h over h multiplied with square root of x multiplied with square root of x plus h. So if you substitute the 0, that's for sure you will obtain indeterminate form. There are 3 types of strategy that can be used in order to solve this kind of situation. Number 1, multiply by the conjugate. Number 2, factorize the situation. Number 3, long division. So for this question, my suggestion would be multiply by the conjugate, where we have square root of x plus square root of x plus h. So for this situation, we have to factor the 6. So kindly rewrite the situation. So during the expansion, I only expand for one part, which is the numerator. So kindly make use of the formula where we have a squared minus b squared. The reason is we are dealing with the multiplication of conjugate to each other. So limits when h approaching 0, where we have 6 multiply with bracket square root of x square minus with square root of x plus h square. So now is the time to simplify the situation, where we have limits when h approaching 0, 6 multiply with x minus h over h multiply with the square root of x multiply with the square root of x plus h multiply with square root of x plus square root of x plus h. Simplify the situation. Limits when h approaching 0, where we have 6 multiplied with negative h. And we notice that we have a common terms, so means that we can simplify. So kindly rewrite the situation. Then substitute the 0 into the h. So when we have square root of x, here we also have square root of x. So negative 6 over square root of x multiply with the square root of x multiply with 2 multiply with square root of x. The f prime x is equals to negative 6 over 2x multiply with the square root of x. So kindly simplify the situation. So where we have f prime x is equals to negative 3 multiply with the x to the power of negative 3 over 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.